Hello everyone, I'm going to read for you today the minerals quiz, so follow along, and if you need to pause the video at any time, you can do so, or if you just want to play it in the background, that's fine too. So the first question here is for you to put your first name in, so go ahead and record your first name, record your last name, and then you need to go ahead and put in what group are you from group 1, group 2 are our remote kiddos, and then go ahead and enter what period you are from. Pause me for a second, go ahead and answer those questions. And here we go. So the first question goes with this passage. Susanna was hiking in the mountains and she discovered an interesting shiny object. She wondered if this object was actually a rock or if it might be a mineral. As she observed it more closely, she noted that it was solid and naturally occurring with a definite chemical composition. The object did not appear to have a crystal structure. Could Susanna have found a mineral? Explain why or why not, and be sure to provide at least 3 reasons to support your answer. Pause me and go ahead and answer the question. This next set of questions kind of goes with this general storyline. Stephen's mother is a mineralogist, someone who studies minerals, and sometimes she brings home samples to study. Stephen observes and compares these minerals. He knows that minerals form in several ways. So here's your first question. He is especially interested in the minerals that form from volcanic activity and the kinds of crystals they form. What determines crystal size in minerals formed by lava or magma? The kind of mineral that formed, the amount of material available, the rate at which minerals cooled, or the materials in the lava or magma. One day, Stephen's mother brings home a sample of graphite. Stephen knows that graphite and diamonds both form from pure carbon, but he observes that they are very different in appearance and characteristics. What causes the difference in the ways the diamonds form compared to graphite? High temperature and high pressure, low temperature and location deep in the mantle, high pressure and location in the continental crust, low temperature and low pressure. Remember, you can pause me at any time or go back to any question. A geologist is comparing the properties of different minerals. He rubs each one on a piece of white tile and observes the color of the powder that is left behind. What type of test did he perform? Is it color, hardness, luster, or streak? All right, we're going to look at the table and we're going to use it to answer the question. So we've got characteristics on one side, observations on the other. So this mineral or rock or mineral that they're trying to determine, I don't know, we're going to have to base that. It says naturally occurring, yes. Can form by inorganic processes, no. Is solid, yes. Has a crystal structure, no. And a definite chemical composition, no. So which statement best identifies the substance whose characteristics are listed in the table? It is not a mineral because it is a solid. It is a mineral because it occurs naturally. It is not a mineral because it does not have a crystal structure. Or it is a mineral because it forms only organically. Okay, these next 2 questions are drop downs. So you're going to choose from the list that best completes the sentence. Jameson knows that diamonds are exceptionally hard minerals. He looks up other minerals to see some of their characteristics and he discovers the Mohs scale. The scale rates minerals from 1 to 10 based on hardness. So now you're going to answer your question. Any mineral can scratch any mineral blank than itself. And here are your choices. Harder, heavier, cleavable, softer. Any mineral can scratch any mineral blank than itself. And your last question, any mineral can be scratched by any mineral that is blank. Is it harder, heavier, cleavable, or softer? When you are done, if you need to go back. You can rewind me to the question you need reread, or you can click that submit button.